Switzerland, a landlocked nation nestled in the heart of Europe, is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes. This small yet diverse country is a treasure trove of natural wonders, where every turn reveals a new, awe-inspiring scene. From the majestic peaks of the Swiss Alps to the serene beauty of its lakes, Switzerland offers a visual feast that captivates the soul and ignites the imagination. Towering peaks pierce the sky, their slopes carpeted in verdant forests and meadows. These mountains are not just geographical features, they are the guardians of a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. The forests, with their dense canopy of trees, provide a habitat for a myriad of wildlife, while the meadows burst into a riot of colors during the spring and summer months, offering a stunning contrast to the stark white of the winter snow. Crystal clear lakes reflect the azure heavens, their tranquil surfaces mirroring the serenity of the surroundings. These bodies of water are more than just picturesque spots, they are the lifeblood of the region, supporting both human and animal life. The lakes are fed by glacial meltwater, ensuring their purity and clarity. They offer a place for reflection, both literally and metaphorically, where one can find peace and solitude away from the chaos of everyday life. Among these awe-inspiring vistas lie hidden gems, remote villages tucked away in secluded valleys and clinging to precipitous slopes. These villages are a testament to human resilience and ingenuity, having been established in some of the most challenging terrains. The architecture of these villages, with their traditional stone houses and wooden chalets, blends seamlessly with the natural landscape, creating a harmonious balance between man and nature. These villages, often accessible only by winding mountain roads or narrow footpaths, seem a world apart from the hustle and bustle of modern life. The journey to these remote locations is an adventure in itself, with each twist and turn of the road revealing new vistas and perspectives. The isolation of these villages has helped preserve their unique cultural heritage, allowing traditions to be passed down through generations without the influence of modernity. Time seems to flow at a different pace here, dictated by the rhythms of nature rather than the demands of the digital age. Life in these villages is characterized by a simplicity and tranquility that is hard to find in today's fast-paced world. The daily routines are closely tied to the natural environment, with activities such as farming, herding, and crafting forming the backbone of the local economy. This slower pace of life allows for a deeper connection with the land and a greater appreciation for the beauty of the natural world. The air is fresh and crisp, carrying the scent of pine needles and wildflowers, a welcome respite from the pollution of urban centers. Breathing in this pure mountain air is invigorating, filling the lungs with a sense of vitality and well-being. The natural fragrances of the forest and meadows create a sensory experience that is both calming and rejuvenating, providing a stark contrast to the artificial smells of city life. The allure of these remote Swiss villages lies in their unspoiled beauty, their sense of peace and tranquility, and the enduring traditions that continue to shape the lives of their inhabitants. These villages offer a glimpse into a world where the past and present coexist harmoniously, where the old ways are respected and preserved. The natural beauty of the surroundings, combined with the rich cultural heritage, creates a unique and enchanting atmosphere that draws visitors from all over the world. They offer a glimpse into a simpler way of life, one that is deeply connected to the natural world and the passing seasons. The changing seasons bring a rhythm to life in these villages, with each season offering its own unique beauty and challenges. From the vibrant colors of autumn to the pristine snows of winter, the blossoming flowers of spring to the lush greenery of summer. The cycle of the seasons is a constant reminder of the passage of time and the enduring beauty of nature. The most striking feature of these remote villages is undoubtedly their architecture. Nestled in the heart of the Alps, these stone houses stand as a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the people who built them. Each house tells a story, not just of the family that lives within its walls, but of the generations that have come before. The architecture is a blend of practicality and beauty, designed to withstand the harsh mountain climate while providing a warm and inviting home. Traditional Swiss chalets, crafted from locally sourced timber and stone, blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape. The use of natural materials not only ensures that the houses are sturdy and durable, but also that they harmonize with the environment. The timber, often sourced from nearby forests, is carefully selected and treated to withstand the elements. Stone, quarried from the mountains themselves, provides a solid foundation and excellent insulation. The thick stone walls, often plastered and whitewashed, provide excellent insulation against the harsh mountain climate. These walls are not just functional, they are also aesthetically pleasing, with their smooth white surfaces reflecting the sunlight and brightening the village. The thickness of the walls helps to keep the interiors warm in the winter and cool in the summer, creating a comfortable living environment year-round. These houses, some dating back centuries, are a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of generations past. Each stone is carefully placed, each beam meticulously carved, reflecting a deep understanding of the materials and the environment. The craftsmanship is evident in the details, from the intricate carvings on the wooden eaves to the precise alignment of the stones. These houses are not just buildings, they are works of art created with skill and care. The steeply pitched roofs, often adorned with intricately carved wooden eaves, are designed to withstand heavy snowfall. The angle of the roof allows snow to slide off easily, preventing the buildup of heavy snow that could damage the structure. The carved eaves are not just decorative, they also serve a practical purpose, directing rainwater away from the walls and foundation. These roofs are a perfect example of how form and function can come together in beautiful harmony. Small, double-paned windows minimize heat loss while still allowing natural light to filter into the cozy interiors. These windows are strategically placed to maximize sunlight during the day, reducing the need for artificial lighting. The double panes provide an extra layer of insulation, keeping the cold out and the warmth in. The result is a bright, cheerful interior that remains warm and inviting even in the depths of winter. Inside, the chalets are typically arranged around a central hearth, the heart of the home where families gather for warmth, meals, and companionship. The hearth is more than just a source of heat, it is a focal point for family life, a place where stories are told and memories are made. The warmth of the fire creates a cozy atmosphere, encouraging family members to spend time together, sharing meals and enjoying each other's company. The scent of burning wood permeates the air, creating an atmosphere of rustic charm and hospitality. This scent, combined with the crackling of the fire, creates a sensory experience that is both comforting and nostalgic. It is a reminder of simpler times, of evenings spent by the fire, surrounded by loved ones. The rustic charm of these interiors is enhanced by the use of natural materials, from the wooden beams to the stone walls, creating a warm and inviting space. Wooden beams, often blackened with age, support the ceilings, adding to the sense of history and tradition. These beams are not just structural elements, they are also a link to the past, a reminder of the generations that have lived in these houses. The darkened wood, with its rich patina, adds character and depth to the interiors, creating a sense of continuity and connection to the past. The combination of stone and wood, of old and new, creates a unique and timeless aesthetic that is both beautiful and functional. Life in these remote villages has always revolved around a deep respect for nature and the need to live in harmony with the surrounding environment. For centuries, the inhabitants have relied on their ingenuity and resourcefulness to sustain themselves, making the most of what the land has to offer. Agriculture, though challenging in the steep terrain and short growing season, has long been a cornerstone of village life. Small plots of land are carefully cultivated, yielding crops such as potatoes, barley, and rye. Livestock, including cows, sheep, and goats, graze on the alpine meadows, providing milk, meat, and wool. The forests, too, have played a vital role in the lives of the villagers. Timber, carefully harvested and seasoned, has been used for building homes, furniture, and tools. Firewood, essential for heating and cooking, is gathered and stacked with care, ensuring a supply that will last through the long winter months. Section 4. Cultural tapestry traditions woven in time. In the heart of the Swiss Alps, where the mountains stand tall and the valleys run deep, lies a world where time seems to have paused. Here, traditions are not just remembered, they are lived, breathed, and woven into the very fabric of daily existence. Isolation has fostered a strong sense of community and a rich cultural heritage in these remote Swiss villages. The rugged terrain and the harsh winters have necessitated a reliance on one another, creating bonds that are as enduring as the mountains themselves. Traditions passed down through generations continue to shape the rhythm of daily life, from the clothes people wear, which are often hand-stitched and adorned with intricate patterns that tell stories of their lineage and heritage, to the food they eat, which is prepared using age-old recipes handed down from mothers to daughters, fathers to sons. Each dish is a testament to the land, made from ingredients that are locally sourced and seasonally available, and the festivals they celebrate. These festivals are vibrant expressions of their cultural identity, filled with music, dance, and a sense of communal joy that brings everyone together, young and old alike. Traditional crafts such as wood carving, weaving, and pottery are still practiced with skill and pride. These crafts are not just hobbies, they are vital links to the past, preserving techniques and artistry that have been honed over centuries. And cheesemaking are still practiced with skill and pride. The art of cheesemaking, in particular, is a revered tradition, with each wheel of cheese representing the unique characteristics of the region's flora and fauna. Local markets and festivals provide opportunities for villagers to showcase their wares, share stories, and strengthen social bonds. These gatherings are more than just commercial exchanges, they are social events where news is shared, friendships are rekindled, and the community spirit is reinforced. Music and dance, often featuring traditional instruments and costumes, play an integral role in community gatherings. The melodies and rhythms are echoes of the past, resonating with the stories and experiences of generations long gone. The Swiss Alps have long been a source of inspiration for artists who capture the breathtaking beauty of the landscape in their paintings and sculptures. Writers who weave tales of adventure and romance set against the majestic backdrop of the mountains, and musicians whose compositions are infused with the sounds of nature. The region's folklore is rich in tales of mythical creatures, heroic deeds, and the power of nature. These stories are more than just entertainment, they are moral lessons, cautionary tales, and sources of inspiration that reflect the values and beliefs of the community and the power of nature. The folklore is a tapestry of human experience, interwoven with the natural world where every creature and every element has a role to play. These stories, often told around crackling fires on long winter nights, continue to captivate and inspire, connecting the present generation to the spirits of their ancestors. The warmth of the fire and the shared experience of storytelling create a sense of continuity and belonging, connecting the present generation to the spirits of their ancestors. In this way, the past is never truly gone. It lives on in the hearts and minds of those who cherish and uphold these timeless traditions. Section 5. The mountain's breath weathering the storms. Life in the Swiss Alps is not without its challenges. The weather can be harsh and unpredictable, with long, snowy winters and short, cool summers. Avalanches, landslides, and floods are ever-present threats, demanding respect for the power of nature. Winter, in particular, can be a time of isolation and hardship. Snowdrifts can make roads impassable for days or even weeks on end, cutting off villages from the outside world. Villagers must rely on their resourcefulness and their strong sense of community to weather these storms, sharing supplies and supporting one another. Yet even in the face of adversity, the inhabitants of these remote villages display a remarkable resilience and a deep connection to their surroundings. They have learned to adapt to the challenges of mountain life, finding beauty and wonder in the ever-changing moods of the Alps.